Ready to ditch the default Roblox look and rock a totally unique purple plaid shirt that screams you? First, you'll need a simple image editing program. GIMP is free and works great. Start by creating a new image. I suggest making it 512 by 512 pixels for good resolution. Now, fill the background with your base purple color, then pick a slightly lighter and darker shade of purple. Using your lighter and darker shades, draw thin vertical and horizontal lines across the canvas. Vary the thickness and spacing of the lines to create that classic plaid effect. Experiment and have fun. Next, you'll need a Roblox shirt template. You can easily find one online now. Carefully paste your plaid design onto each part of the template. The front, back, sides, and arms. Ensure the pattern lines up seamlessly where the pieces join. Once you're happy with your design, save it as a PNG file. This preserves the image quality, which is key for a sharp-looking shirt. Head over to the Roblox website and go to the Create tab. Then, under My Creations, click Shirts. If you are not a premium member, it will cost 10 Robux to upload a shirt. Click Choose File. Select your newly created plaid shirt PNG. Give your shirt a cool name and hit Upload. Finally, go to your avatar editor and equip your awesome purple plaid shirt. Mix and match with other accessories to complete your personalized Roblox style.